Hey Tech Fam, Tech Tricks here, and today we're diving into a topic hotter than your morning coffee. Why shouldn't you buy the new iPad Pro M4? Yep, you got that right. We're gonna have some laughs, spill some tea, and show you why the 2018 iPad Pro or the M1 or even the iPad mini are better options. So buckle up. But first, a word from our sponsor. Problem with slow Macs? Clean My Mac X. Make your slow Mac faster again like the day you got it. With the click of a button, you can get rid of your junk, malware, and free up space so that your Mac can go faster again. With this, you can get rid of viruses, adware, worm, and ransomware. Basically anything you need so that you can make your Mac fast again. So get Clean My Mac trial today. Link in the description below. Here it is, the new iPad Pro M4. Ooh, shiny. But don't let those sleek curves fool you. The baby comes with a price tag that could make a Kardashian blush.
Stop it. Get some.
Let's break down why this might be the most overrated piece of tech this year. So the iPad Pro M4 starts, wait for it, a gazillion dollars. What? Okay, maybe not that much, but close. For the price of the one M4 iPad, you could buy a 2018 iPad Pro and have enough left over for a year's supply of avocado toast. Priorities, people.
Why are you running?
Seriously though, unless you're planning to impress your friends at a yacht party, there's no need to drop this much cash. The 2018 iPad Pro is still a beast, and the M1, it's practically a superhero in tablet form. And let's not forget our little friend, the iPad mini. Perfect for those who like their tech compact and cute. Now let's talk about performance. The M4 is supposed to be faster than a caffeinated squirrel. But let's be real, unless you're editing a Hollywood blockbuster or trying to predict the stock market, the 2018 iPad Pro or the M1 can handle everything you need. Instagram, check. Netflix, check. Creating memes, double check.
Sana all.
Look at this. The 2018 iPad Pro just opened a dozen apps without breaking a sweat. The M1 is like the Usain Bolt of tablets. And the iPad mini, fast and nimble. Just like me when I hear the ice cream truck.
Nice.
Now, of course, size matters.
Yeah, boy.
The iPad Pro M4 is huge. Do you really need a screen that big? Unless you're using it as a surfboard, the iPad mini is perfect. It's portable, powerful, and won't make you look like you're trying to use a flat screen TV as a tablet. You want to go on a trip? iPad mini slips right into your bag. And how about the M4? You might need a separate suitcase. And who wants that? Plus, the mini is so light. It's like carrying a slice of digital heaven. You can do it! Now let's talk accessories. The new iPad Pro M4 wants you to buy the new Magic Keyboard, the new Apple Pencil, and probably a personal assistant to carry it all. Cha-ching! The 2018 iPad Pro and the M1 works just fine with existing accessories. Save the money for something important like, I don't know, food.
Damn!
For the price of all these accessories, you could buy a small island. Okay, maybe not, but you get the point. I am the one, the way you can do. Stick with the older models and use what you already have. Your wallet will thank you. So here's the thing, in the real world, do you need the latest and greatest? No. Watch as I check my email on the 2018 iPad Pro and bam, it's done. Now let's try streaming a video on the M1. Smooth as butter. And the iPad mini, perfect for reading on the go without giving yourself an arm workout. See? No need for the latest model when these do everything you need and more. And you won't look like you're trying to read War and Peace on a billboard. So there you have it. Save your money, skip the iPad Pro M4, and go for the 2018 iPad Pro, an M1, or iPad mini. They're powerful, cost effective, and won't require you to sell a kidney to afford them. Plus, they make you look smart and savvy, like you know the real secrets of the tech world. Thanks for tuning in. Stay techy, stay thrifty, and remember, newer isn't always better. Sometimes it's just more expensive. See you next time.